Have you ever wondered why certain individuals behave in ways that seem abnormal or irrational? Could there be a hidden mechanism in the human mind that drives such behavior? Welcome to a journey through the intricate world of psychopathology and its curative measures. Psychopathology, the scientific study of mental disorders, encompasses a wide array of conditions. These conditions, often deeply rooted in the psyche, manifest in behaviors that deviate from societal norms. However, they are not simply abnormal behaviors, they are complex disorders that require understanding and treatment. One of the most common types of psychopathologies is anxiety disorders. These are characterized by excessive and persistent worry, fear, and anxiety. The good news is, they are treatable. Cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT, is often used to help individuals manage their anxiety. This form of therapy focuses on identifying, understanding, and changing thought and behavior patterns. Moving on, mood disorders, another form of psychopathology, include conditions like depression and bipolar disorder. These disorders often lead to extreme emotional states. Antidepressants and mood stabilizers, coupled with psychotherapy, are the usual course of treatment. Then we have personality disorders, which include conditions like borderline personality disorder and narcissistic personality disorder. These are typically long-term patterns of behavior that cause significant distress and impairment. Dialectical behavior therapy, often used for borderline personality disorder, focuses on mindfulness, distress tolerance, and emotional regulation. Lastly, we have psychotic disorders, which include conditions like schizophrenia. These disorders are characterized by distorted thinking and perception of reality. Antipsychotic medications and psychotherapy are the primary treatment methods here. But why does this matter? Well, understanding psychopathology underscores the importance of empathy and compassion. It's not about labeling or stigmatizing individuals. It's about understanding the complex mechanisms of the human mind and finding ways to help those who are struggling. In overview, curative measures of psychopathology covers a wide array of mental disorders, from anxiety disorders and mood disorders to personality disorders and psychotic disorders. The respective curative measures include cognitive behavioral therapy, pharmacological treatments like antidepressants and antipsychotics, and specialized therapies like dialectical behavior therapy. Remember, mental health is just as important as physical health. It's time to break the stigma surrounding mental disorders, and if you feel this video is helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to Psychology and Physical Training channel. Thank you for watching.